In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Buy with PayPal button from your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that the PayPal checkout option isn't the best fit for your business, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and make your store exactly as you want it. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Shopify account. Head over to your browser and enter the URL for Shopify, then log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your store's admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing every aspect of your online store. Next, look for the Settings tab on the lower left corner. It's practically your control panel for all store configurations. Clicking on Settings will open a sub-menu with various options related to your store operations. From this menu, you'll want to click on Payments. This section is where you manage all payment gateways associated with your store. A list of active and inactive gateways will appear, showing options like Shopify payments, PayPal, and any other third-party payment providers you may have set up. Locate the section labeled PayPal. Shopify automatically includes PayPal as a default payment provider, which is super convenient for many, but it can be easily deactivated if it no longer suits your needs. Once you've found the PayPal section, you'll see the option to select it and manage its settings. Now you'll want to click on the option to start the deactivation process for PayPal. You'll see a deactivate button that needs your attention. By clicking this, you're effectively stopping your Shopify store from offering PayPal as a checkout option to your customers. This step is crucial for refining the checkout process according to your preferences. After clicking the deactivate button, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. Shopify does this as a safeguard to ensure you're making the change intentionally. Simply confirm your action when asked. It's a straightforward process, but ensure you've considered how this might affect customers who frequently use PayPal. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to remove the Buy with PayPal option from your Shopify store. This process should take no more than 5 minutes and can always be reversed if you change your mind in the future. Adjusting payment options should always align with the needs of your business and your customers, so make sure to regularly review them as part of your store management routine. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.